what do we got in here, guys? We have, I want to say there's a lot of white carrots right here. White carrots instead of orange carrots. Super nutritious and delicious. Yeah, there's a bunch on that one, and put them in our fridge for people. I'm really gonna gear. I've had a lot of people coming and grabbing vegetables just randomly. I really want to get it on the program so we can track it now. And we can even start to take pictures with people that are taking vegetables, because that'll help inspire other people that were here and it's real, and that they can actually come here and get vegetables. So I don't care if you came for a handful of kale and a thing, you can come back tomorrow. You know what I mean? And every day eat what we give you. So that's the way we're thinking about that. And I think every day we could come through here and just the lowest out ones that are drooping, and then we need to water this afterwards when we do that. It's best to do this really early in the morning when you first get here, not in the middle of the day. So if we have an afternoon crew here in the 4 o'clock range or whatever, or if it's tomorrow early in the morning is fine. And the way we want to soak this pile is with that green sprayer. Right on these, like put it up there where it's getting a bunch of this and just directly on this pile, so we're not beating the leaves with the sprinkler on it, because it'll create a fungus on these coming up real soon. So anything that you guys see that's touching the ground like this, now we've thinned out of the mass of the trees. Now what we're doing is like, and then you can look at your pile in your hand and go, oh, are any of those too yellow to eat? Maybe that one's got a little bit of yellow. And people are gonna be a little bit, we gotta train them. Who cares if the caterpillars ate some holes out of it? This is still awesome, nutritious greens. We gotta train people so that they know that this is still really good food and it doesn't have to be all barbied up. Yeah, or barbecued up, not barbied up.
Would you really wanna eat something a bug isn't willing to eat?
I agree. I look at drinking water the same way. Everybody's drinking water with chlorine. Yeah. I put a guppy in my cup and he dies instantly. I ain't drinking that. I'm like, what, 75% water? People wonder why I don't drink. I drink water from the stream. I put it through a filter. I drink water that I know is good, that doesn't have chlorine in it. I don't think that's a good thing for us to be taking into our system. So yeah, just like that, the same thing. I'm putting you in charge of those again right there too as well. You could just take that home and eat that for yourself, right?
Really like
yeah.
that touch
Huh?
the ground or almost touch the ground, they can.
That's right. And then what do we got? We watered it good, and the next day, a few days, they're good. A couple days later, it's put new things on top. A little of those have dropped lower. Boom, let's feed people with them. And instead of in the industry where they just pull the whole plant, we can keep harvesting for weeks and months doing it. It's gonna get hot quick and we can see the cabbage moth coming in, but that's what we'll do, and we'll just keep giving it that way. Because in a box, couple carrots, couple of those, a papaya, a mango, that's a pretty good score to come get for free. And know that we all put all of our love into it, you know what I mean, and all of our sweat and everything to share with our community. Yeah, so that's it in a nutshell. Let me point something else out here. Whenever you see beans